Hey guys, I have got here for the Honda CT125. I got a heat shield to go on here. Basically because sometimes when we take this thing camping, we haul this in the Gladiator somewhere, me and the wife, and I want her to be able to ride on the back. So I'm going to get some foot pegs, a heat shield for here so she don't burn her leg, and then a seat to go back here, just so I can put this seat on once in a while and use it for that purpose. But this KemiMoto has sent me a heat shield. So I think all I'm going to need to install this is just a couple Allen wrenches, a couple Allen bolts. So it just goes on here like so. And basically this has a heat shield on it, but this is not good enough to keep from burning your leg, obviously. And overseas in some of the Asian companies, Honda actually puts a heat shield on this. Well, if you're like in the US market like us, we don't have the extra heat shield, so KemiMoto makes one for it. So it looks like we just have these bolt extensions, add-ons is what we have. It extend this out to put that onto. So that actually will work pretty slick, I'm thinking. It's like we have some instructions, so who looks at instructions, right? But I guess I ought to make sure I'm putting it on there right. So we take a 5mm Allen, and we'll just do these one at a time, these bolts, put them in here. That way this don't just fall off. It kind of hold itself in place. Looks like it comes with a little wrench and a little Allen bolt for it also. What kind of a little wrench we got here, but hey, if it works. And it did work. And then we'll do this one here. Okay, so now we just set this on here and use our little supplied Allen bolts to stick into here. And I guess also the supplied Allen wrench. Pretty slick, pretty easy to do. So that's like the quickest install video ever. Super simple. KemiMoto heat shield for Honda CT125. So pretty cool. I will post a link to this below in the description where you can check them out. Thank you all for watching the video. Click the thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll catch you all on the next one. Right on.